This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lacey Laird. This beautifully maintained home is waiting for you. Enjoy the serene setting with no hoa yet close proximity to shopping, dining, and more. Your new home offers practical use of space, interior laundry, one-car garage, all situated on an oversized lot. Your new home provides an abundance of natural light and space with beautiful wood floors and cedar closets. Upgrades include a well replacement in 2016, exterior paint 2020, one septic pump 2020, new dishwasher 2020, cooktop range 2020, and additional insulation added to the attic. Take advantage of your large fully fenced backyard, which has plenty of room for grilling, gardening, a fire pit, and more. Store all your lawn equipment and seasonal items in the spacious shed. Your new home is just minutes from major roadways to include Interstate 4 and US 17-92, along with quick access to Gemini Spring Park, Fish Memorial Hospital, Blue Springs State Park, and St. Johns River/Lake MONROE. Don't miss the chance to call this beautiful home yours. For more information, review the details below.